Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you something that should be in your Sephora wish list if it isn't already, and that is the cream lip stain set. I'm going to swatch these for you so that you can see what the colors look like. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching. All right, so I've got nothing on my lips because I want to make sure that I'm giving you true to the lip stain swatches. I've got my trusty little palette here because we're going to keep everything sanitary, and we'll put it on the palette here. I'll use one of my disposable applicators to take it from the palette to my lips, and then it goes in the trash. I also have my 70% isopropyl alcohol ready for extra sanitizing if necessary, as well as my Solar cleansing water to wipe off my lips between each test. Before we get into all that, let me tell you a little bit about this kit in case you're interested in it. So we've got 6 different shades of the Sephora cream lip stains, and it looks like it's a good range of colors in here. Most of them are matte, and there's one that looks like it has kind of a shimmery finish. Let's see what the back says. Rediscover an iconic product from Sephora collection with these 6 cream lip stains in timeless must-have shades. Switch it up and go from bright red to pink or nude tones and enhance your lips with intense, long-lasting, and ultra-comfortable matte shades, unmissable during this holiday season. It also notes on the back that the cardboard packaging comes from a sustainably managed forest. The products were made in Italy. You get 6 5 ml or 0.169 fluid ounces per tube. So these are full-sized products. You get 6 full-sized lipsticks in here. And it's an amazing deal because it's $35 for all 6 of these versus $15 for one individual shade, which, let's be real, $15 for one single liquid lipstick is not that bad at Sephora, you know? However, $35 for 6 full-size lipsticks at Sephora is an incredible steal. So let's see if these are something that you might be interested in, or if maybe you want to share them with a friend. The first shade I'm going to start with is this one here. This is the one I'm going to expect not going to look the best on me, but we're going to be hopeful. So this is 02 Classic Beige. I'm not going to apply this perfectly because I want to make sure that we're just getting the swatch. I don't plan on wearing any of these all day at this moment in time. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. You know, that actually looks pretty nice on me. All right, okay. I stand corrected. So this one, again, this is shade 02, Creamy Beige. Okay, so the next one we're gonna try is this one right here. It looks like it has a shimmery finish. This is shade 05, which according to the back of the packaging is Infinite Rose. Okay, that's a nice shade too. Again, this is number 5, Infinite Rose. So far, I'd say these are true to the color in the tube. The next shade that we're going to swatch is this one here, and that is number 13. Number 13 is Marvelous Mauve. Now, I knew this one was going to look good because mauve is a color that generally tends to look good on me, so not surprised. But, you know, one of the things about this lip kit that I was excited about was that I was hoping all the colors would look good on me, but as long as at least half of them did, then I felt like it would be worth the money. as far as the number I'd purchased. Was number 13, Marvelous Mauve. Now the next one we're gonna swatch is this bright pink, which normally is not my shade, but we'll see what it looks like. This is number 90. Yes, number 90, and it's called Sunrise Pink. And this color here again is number 90. That is Sunrise Pink. You know, not that bad on me. I do feel like some of the colors in the camera may not be coming across as accurately as I see them in the mirror. But we'll see when I, edit the video. Like this in my mirror looks a lot more, I mean, that's going to be the same, but in my mirror, it just looks a lot more hot pink, more magenta than it does on camera. But I digress. We are moving on. All right, and the next one we're going to swatch is number 1, which is Always Red. So we're looking like we've got a classic red right here. There we have it. Number 1, Always Red. Always Red. Now, this one looks like a classic red in my mirror, but on camera it looks like it's pulling a little bit more orange. Again, just could be a small difference between my camera's settings, and it may be fine when you're viewing it. So we'll see, but just making those notes. And the last one we're going to swatch today is this one right here. This is number 94. 94 is Cherry Moon. This is the last one. This is Cherry Moon, which in the tube it looks a bit more dark red, but on my lips it's pulling a little more pink than I was expecting. So that's a little odd. All right, now that we've got a nice clean palette, let's go ahead and put all of these next to each other. So here are all of the lipsticks together. Classic Beige, Infinite Rose, Marvelous Mauve, Sunset Pink, Always Red, and Cherry Moon. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of funsies, and I'll put each one on my lips here. Oh, this is unhinged. All right, now that we cleaned up that fun little experiment, I'll tell you my thoughts. So I do like the formula on initial application. Some of them felt a little bit creamier than others. I don't know if it's because of the color differences or if maybe one of them might be a little bit more dried out than another one, which sometimes can happen when you purchase these multiple sets. But they all did feel really nice. They applied evenly, so one coat you get opaque coverage. They also removed easily with micellar cleansing water. I didn't have to do like any of that super scrubbing or anything. So any one of your normal cleansers would have worked just fine. And all 6 of those colors looked, pretty good on me. So I think you've got a variety of options that can work depending on the color of lipstick that you tend to lean towards. Maybe you might be able to explore some other options in this set, or maybe you've got some friends who have a wide variety of tastes and you can get one set and share it amongst yourselves. But this is definitely something I would recommend putting in your Sephora wish list. Definitely recommend getting it whether it's full price or on sale, to be quite honest. So that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Don't forget to take care of yourself this holiday season. I don't just mean retail therapy. I know the holiday season can be difficult for many people for a variety of different reasons, so just make sure you are kind to yourself. Have a good one.